Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to be seeing and checking out how loud the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max pad drying feature is. Huge shout out to our viewer Riverbender9898 for the comment with this suggestion, so please leave your suggestions below. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to this vacuum will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead and see how loud it is. For those wondering, the mop pad washing peaked at 72 decibels, and currently it's in the pad drying mode right now. So we'll listen in and see how loud it is. So as you can see, it's hovering right around 33 decibels in pad drying. Honestly, that's going to be just the typical noise of this room. So it's very, very faint and quiet. It's going to be really hard for you to know and hear anything in regards to pad drying unless your ear is about a foot away from the unit. Now let's listen in with the camera really close to the base here so you can get a feel for how loud the drying mode is. It's very, very faint. You would just hear a slight hum or whine. Again, if you're within earshot of the unit right here, you may or may not even be able to tell that's running if there's any sort of noise going on in the background at your house. So about as quiet as it can be.